Your home's doors play a bigger role than you might think. They welcome guests, protect your family, and contribute to the overall comfort and efficiency of your living space. For Scottsdale homeowners, where desert heat and monsoon storms can test the durability of any home exterior, doors are one of the most important features to maintain. If your doors are old, damaged, or no longer performing as they should, professional door replacement services provide the ideal solution. Here are the key benefits of trusting experts with this upgrade. Enhanced home security. A door is more than just an entry point, it's your first line of defense. Over time, older doors can weaken, their locks can loosen, and their frames may shift, making them vulnerable to forced entry. Professional door replacement services in Scottsdale ensure that your new doors are made from durable, modern materials like reinforced steel, fiberglass, or solid core wood. These doors are paired with advanced locking systems and expert installation that maximize safety. Knowing your family and belongings are better protected gives you peace of mind every day. Improved energy efficiency. In Scottsdale's hot, dry climate, keeping your home cool is a top priority. Drafty or poorly sealed doors let cool, conditioned air escape and allow hot air to seep in, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. This not only increases your utility bills but also reduces indoor comfort. Professional door replacement addresses this issue by installing energy-efficient doors with insulated cores, high-quality weather stripping, and precise sealing. The result is a more comfortable home interior, reduced strain on your cooling system, and significant energy savings over time. Increased curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated or worn door can drag down the appearance of your entire exterior, while a stylish, well-chosen replacement door instantly elevates curb appeal. Professional services offer a wide range of customizable options, including modern finishes, decorative glass panels, and bold color choices. Whether you want a sleek contemporary look or a timeless classic design, expert installers can help you select the perfect door to complement your Scottsdale home's style. Long-lasting performance. DIY door replacements often lead to problems down the line, such as uneven hanging, poor sealing, or misaligned hardware. These issues shorten the lifespan of your door and can even cause damage to your home's structure. By relying on professionals, you ensure that your doors are installed correctly the first time. Expert installers use proper tools, techniques, and manufacturer guidelines to guarantee long-term durability and performance. This means fewer repairs, less maintenance, and more years of reliable use from your new doors. Better indoor comfort and noise control. Old doors often let in more than just heat. They also allow dust, drafts, and outdoor noise to creep inside. With Scottsdale's busy neighborhoods and seasonal winds, this can be a constant frustration. Modern replacement doors are designed to create tight seals that block unwanted elements while providing soundproofing benefits. Professional installation ensures that every gap is closed, giving you quieter, cleaner, and more comfortable living spaces. Boosted home value. Homebuyers in Scottsdale are increasingly looking for properties that combine style, efficiency, and security. By investing in professional door replacement, you not only enjoy immediate benefits but also add resale value to your home. A new, professionally installed front door signals quality and care, making your home more attractive on the market if you ever decide to sell. Conclusion: a smart upgrade for Scottsdale homeowners. Professional door replacement services offer more than just a fresh look. They provide security, comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. For Scottsdale homeowners, where climate and lifestyle demand high-performance doors, this upgrade is both practical and rewarding. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or simply enjoy greater peace of mind, trusting experts for your door replacement ensures you get the most from your investment. It's a smart step toward a safer, more comfortable, and more beautiful Scottsdale home.